Right, another video that I'm re-recording. It's amazing how many places have the name of where we're at. Anyway, I just need to record one section of video, which I'm doing as we speak. Hopefully this time I won't get anything down that I don't need to. Rightio. But of course, as the town's name splurged all over it. Down through there is one of our water supplies. Now I've got to remember which. Right, that's our. Oh, where's this dude go? That's our water supply there. When I originally filmed this, it was a lot fuller. That's our local tennis club, and I am going to turn here before this idiot comes tearing up my backside. Right, now this tree fell down probably 8-10 months ago. Council hasn't got round to cleaning it up. This is some of the properties around here. This is a cow property. This guy owns all this land on this side. Right, before I forget and confuse Floyd even more, I'm gonna let him out. There he goes. Now I'll just roll down here, because that's what I really need to do. Yep, we're still filming. Okay, there's a local park. I won't really film it. There's a grass tree. And we haven't got any real big grass trees here. I don't know if you can pick it up, but this is a tar road, or what's left of it. This used to be the old highway. The toilets, picnic area. Now, this has been washed out or graded out or whatever, because the tar's all gone. Oh. Then we pick up the tar again up here. Let me get into first gear. There's the tar. Oh, please don't tell me I've got my head in the... I'm going to be really peeved if I did, because I do not want to have to film this again. Right, this is where we come to the river. Now, as you can hopefully tell, just have to get under shade a bit. That's where the... Oh, I nearly stalled Carol. I'm going to take her out again. That's where the old bridge used to be. So, this is under the new bridge. And that's our local river. It's not much of a river, but, you know, it's water.